this is Vismita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and keeping safe. Today's video is a very nice festive makeup look wherein I have created this festival makeup look for you all, and I've tried to keep all the steps as simple as possible so that even you can try and recreate something like this on the festivals. If you are new here, then please subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon so that whenever I post, you get a notification. So without making this intro any longer, if you want to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching the video. Alright, so I'm done with my skincare and I have loads of moisturizer and sunscreen on right now. And now it's time for the primer. For that, I am using today the My Glam Tinted Pore Perfect Primer. It's a really very nice primer. It increases the longevity of my makeup and gives a really nice and a very smooth makeup base. Moving on after the primer, now it's time for color correction. I do have some dark circles, so I will first be using an orange color corrector before the foundations. So today I'm going in with this Insight Cosmetics Pro Conceal palette. It has got all the amazing beautiful shades and it's a really very nice and very affordable palette. Just gonna apply the orange color corrector first under my eyes. You never have to overblend your color correctors, so make sure that you just dab on the areas where it is required. For the foundation today, I'm going in with this Mars Cosmetics foundation. Now this is the Mars Awesome Soft Matte Foundation. It's a really very nice sheer to medium coverage foundation and not a full coverage one. But it really gives a very nice dewy finish to the face. I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. Never forget your neck. Now I'm gonna blend everything in with a Damn Beauty blender. This blender is by Bronson Professionals. I really love the finish of this foundation. It really gives a very nice dewy look to the face, and if you want to go in with some full coverage foundations, then you can surely go with them. I really like this pretty natural and a very nice glowy look. So really love this foundation. And now it's time for the concealer. I'm going in with the same Insight Cosmetics Pro Concealer palette, and we'll be taking these two shades, and with the same beauty blender we'll blend everything. Once all my cream work is done, to set everything in place, I will be using a loose powder. And for setting everything in today, I'm going in with the My Glam's Pose HD Setting Powder. Really very nice setting powder, sets every cream work in place. This is how it looks like. Just gonna take it on my beauty sponge. To fasten the process, you can take this on your brush and then apply it. I've deposited a nice layer of the setting powder under my eyes and will remove this in the end. This will actually help in solving out all my under eye creasing problems, and even you can try this technique out at all the different parts of your face wherever you feel like you have fine line problems. Moving on now for blush and highlighting, I will be using the newly launched Popexos kit for that. This is the Popexos My Glam collection. This is the Instaglam face kit wherein you get a blush, highlighter and a setting powder. Comes with a shield, and this is the beautiful kit. The packaging is also really very nice, and this is the setting powder. We have these two blushes here and a highlighter shade, and for the festive season this golden highlighter will work really very nicely with my outfit. I'm going to be taking this shade for the blush. This is a supremely pigmented palette. You just need to take a little bit here on your brush, dab the excess off. I really like how instantly it has brought so much of colors and life to the face. To avoid any kind of patchy lines, we'll just take the same beauty blender and dab the blush. Now the highlighter gives a really very nice subtle glow to the face and not the instant brightness. It's on a very subtle side, which actually is, I think, everybody's favorite part. that the highlighter should always give a very subtle glow from within. Moving on, now it's finally time for the eye makeup, and for that I'm using the newly launched Pop Exos makeup collection. This is the eyeshadow palette and the shade is Scent Nudes. The beautiful 4 cube eyeshadow palette, very pocket friendly, and the packaging again is really very cute. And they have different shades. You can check out their shades on the website. I will be first picking up this pink shade and will spread it all over my eyes. The palette is supremely pigmented, and start working. It has got 2 matte shades and 2 glitter shades, which is actually a very nice combination of both glitters and mattes. And I personally feel that this particular one is really perfect for festive season, as it has got amazing pinks, and pink goes actually with almost every outfit. Now I will be taking this rose gold beautiful shimmer shade and will spread it all over my eyes below the crease area. The eyes look all festive because of the beautiful shimmer shade, and to add on to that shimmer, I will be using this Manish Malhotra's glitter eyeliner. This is how it looks like. This is how the eye makeup looks right now, and it looks really very festive and very glowy and dewy. Now I will be going in with the same pink color on my waterline also. The eye makeup is almost done, only the last step is left, and that is of a mascara. Today I am going in with Mars Cosmetics mascara. It's a very nice, budget friendly and a very nice voluminous mascara. For the lipstick, I'm going in with this My Glams lipstick. This is in the shade, this is the Satin Matte Lipsticks, and this is in the shade Queen of the South. Really very beautiful pink shade. And with that, this festive makeup video comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed this video and found this video very helpful. I have tried to keep all the steps as minimum and as simple as possible, so that even you can try and recreate something like this on the festivals. And I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed it. Write down in the comments, let me know how you like it. It would mean the absolute world to me. And please like the video, share it with friends, family and everyone. I will see you super soon with new videos. Till then, take care, stay safe and lots of love.